So if you have anyone that is looking for a platform that can be hosted as low as 25,000 naira in a year.
In a year, 25,000 per year. Do you do WordPress hosting? We are at the Lagos Zenith Bank Tech Fair 2024. It's organized by Zenith Bank annually. I think this should be the 4th year. And ZTech is here to talk to tech companies, tech startups, tech founders. So let's go over and hear what they are doing, what innovations are being brought on ground. And ZTech here, remember, follow on all social media handles, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Hey, good afternoon. We are the ZTech Fair 2024, and I'm with Cybercloud. So, kindly introduce yourself and tell me what Cybercloud is about.
All right, thank you. My name is Laurel Onumono. I'm the country manager for Cybercloud Platform Limited. Cybercloud is one of the leading indigenous cloud computing service provider in Nigeria today. And we have a data center built by us, in a Tier 3 certified data center, and we offer all the cloud computing flavors to all customers in the public sector, in the SMEs. And the benefit of our services is actually it's cost effective, so people don't have to source for dollars to pay for the subscription. And at the same time, you have a good latency because our data center is in Lagos, is in Nigeria, so you have a better or an excellent performance where your workload, you're trying to access your server and it takes, at the snap of your finger, you're accessing it compared to when it's outside the country, you have to go through different communication hubs to be able to access your server, depending where it's actually, hosted. So today, we are very delighted to be part of the Zenith Tech Fair. And the benefit for us and the bank has been enormous. The bank has that trust in us to be an indigenous firm and playing in the space of the likes of AWS, Google, Microsoft. So being a local partner, the bank likes to reckon with local partners, encourage us as well too, to keep doing what we're doing and in supporting the ecosystem as well. Though we are not competitors, it's more of collaboration, because whatever service they can render, we can render the same service in Nigeria. We're creating employment, we're supporting our own ecosystem, and we're also growing our own currency because you can subscribe to our service if you are not in Nigeria, and then we earn foreign currency as well too. So at the end of the day, that is win-win for both parties.
Cybercloud, how long have you been operating in Nigeria?
I think 6 years now. For 6 years, and waxing stronger, and we're establishing and repositioning to other business areas, especially in the areas of AI. You will understand that every of the growing digital transformation solutions, the bedrock is cloud. Whether you are in data mining, big data, whether you are in fintech players needs a platform that is agile, that is scalable, and at the same time to meet their immediate need and cost effective. So that's why Cybercloud is there. We are also very innovative, in terms of the services that we offer, ranging from software-defined data center to platform as a service, encourage those developers as well, which most of them are also in the hall today. So we also have services that cater for their needs, which is called platform as a service. So whether you are an healthcare center developer or energy or mining, whatever application and industry you pick, they are developing the application for. Cybercloud is there to support you, to give you all the features, give you all the platforms to be able to develop, whether it's a staging or production.
So I want to get something. Nigeria is quite unique. We have a huge market here, and the tech space is growing and everything. But still, we have enormous challenges, because I'm surprised to actually hear that we have a company running data center here in Nigeria with the whole issues around power, especially, and some other policies of the government. But how do you tackle the issue of power to start with the whole high cost of powering businesses these days? The reason why I'm asking this is that a lot of people who might want to patronize a company like this might be thinking, how many points of failures are we going to be dealing with? What if these people can't source fuel? For example, they can't source diesel, and there is no steady power supply in the country. So how do you deal with that?
That's a very valid question. Everybody is dealing with that. But the beautiful thing is that the last 6 years we've been in operation, Cybercloud have not experienced any downtime. None of our customers have experienced downtime. Oh. And we've experienced zero churn. We have our customers that are expanding and growing with us, both in the SME space, enterprise and public sector. Now, we don't rely only on the PHCN of today. We saw data center is actually with Rack Center, and Rack Center is the leading service provider when it comes to colo, and they have different means of sourcing power, and they provide 99.9% availability and 100% uptime.
Wow.
So they have different means, whether it's coming from diesel. We know it has been a challenge in terms of fluctuation of FX, in terms of price of diesel, but along the line we still try to make sure that our customers, it's not a challenge and it's not a problem to them. Okay, and we've always tried as much as we can to make sure that our price is very competitive. So our colo service provider handles that aspect, and they've been delivering 100% to us and also to our customers at the end of the day.
You said you price your services in Naira, right? So I can actually use your cloud services and I can pay in Naira.
All right.
So no payments in dollar. I guess that's the major thing that could matter for a lot of people, because sourcing of foreign exchange can be a difficulty. And you also mentioned that other countries also do business with you. So in that way, you also bring in dollars and other foreign exchange into the country. So where do you see Cybercloud going in the next, let's say, 5 years?
Thank you. Currently, our pricing model is very, very flexible, and our exchange rate, we have to support our own country, so it's actually in Naira and not in dollars. Secondly, in the next 5 years, we have a lot of strategies and roadmap we put in place. We are looking at expanding and having our own data center because it's very key. Relying on a colo service provider is not sustainable because there are other external factors, whether micro or macro, that is actually affecting, and there is always increase in terms of their colo services. So in the next couple of years, we're looking at having our own data center so that we can give more comfort and also make our price more affordable, or our services more affordable to the end users. Secondly, we are also looking at repositioning in terms of providing our services to neighboring countries. Okay, data sovereignty is one of the key policies that government is looking at driving. We look at that policy, and then the regulatory body will be established to drive it. If that happens, that will encourage a lot of enterprise and companies that have their data residents outside the country to be brought back home, and that's going to increase demand for our services. So the more we expand, the more we expand in terms of people, the more we expand in terms of benefit to the country, in terms of tax revenue wise, okay, paying more tax to the economy as well, in terms of us as well too, improving our own economy and our own ecosystem than relying on the public service providers, okay, like Microsoft, the Googles, or the AWS. These are the market leaders that are doing well in US, and Nigeria one day definitely wants to be with them, and want to also make sure that our data is also secured and resident in our own country. So definitely in the next 5 years, we're looking at having our own data center. We're looking at expanding our market as well too, so even outside the seashore of Africa as well too.
Okay, so how do people get in touch with you, and how can we do business with you?
Okay, so we have presence on our social media platform. We are websites as well. We also have a very good digital marketing team that ensures brand visibility. So we have our contact, our website is actually www.cybercloud.net.ng. We also have our contact number as well, 01515-299. You can also call on any of our customer care numbers, 09076555014. So these are all the communication platforms we put in place that customers can reach out to us and definitely enjoy our service. One other thing I failed to mention was we've also established our own website platform to support the young ones that are upcoming that develop websites. So if you have anyone that is looking for a platform that can be hosted as low as 25,000 Naira in a year.
In a year, 25,000 per year.
So
do you do WordPress hosting?
We have, so our services ranges from the hosting, SIP panel, Plex, and also WordPress. If you're looking for domains as well too, We also offer free domains and SSL certificates. So the security aspect, we give it at free. So we also have products for students. On our platform as well, we also have a website platform where students who are looking at learning how to write websites to be able to make little money and be able to pay some little bills. We teach them that for free, and then they can utilize any of our platforms, pay for 6 months, and enjoy 1 year facility service.
Awesome. I'll personally actually be checking out your website, and hopefully, because I'm a developer, so hopefully I might be making use of you, because that pricing model is actually very
because
good.
We really want to encourage people to be aware of our products and also utilize it. These are things that you do as part of your CSR to your own citizens. We won't start looking at same price with developed markets. We will not be able to crack the surface.
Definitely.
Yeah, so offering services like this is all about value, and it's all about utilizing it. And then people can give word of mouth to other people to say, oh, I utilize this service, it's very reliable, and it costs me less compared to what I was paying before. So these are the part of the things we want to give back to the society as well.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. And wish you all the best with your business.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you. What's the name again?
Anatu. Hello, I hope you enjoyed that video. This is not a sponsored video. It is brought to you free by ZTech channel. We create tech content including interviews, product reviews and reviews, tech business coverage, podcasts, and tech tutorials. If you would like to have a one-on-one interview with me about your business, or for sponsorship, partnerships, and other inquiries, please email anatotech@gmail.com or send me a DM on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media at Anatotech. That's ANATUTECH. You can also WhatsApp me on +234 70 357 19745. This information are also available in the description panel of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you again very soon.